let's say that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kings. Back of the boat. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more kings over here. Oh shit, you know what? Open the 2 side. Can you move the fish out of the way? Open the side compartment. So we got fish in there too. Put more fish in the ice chest. More in the side compartment. Had a good day, huh, Tiger?
Great day.
They're still jumping. Open ice chest again. That's Jacob, but he's in the back light, so I can't see his face. Tango. Pony, wave, guys. More king, couple of lemons.
Catch of the day, baby.
What the hell is that? White trout? What are you doing with a white trout?
Hey, that's mine. I caught that trout. That's the bait. That's great. The biggest fish like that. That's why
We're off the boat too, though.
That was the first fish caught today. That nobody caught a white trout. Yeah, that's a rare fish.
No, I did catch a white trout. I threw it back though.
Chico caught the catfish.
Oh, chilling. What time is it? No, it's 3 o'clock. Yeah, I guess it's time for us to start heading back in. Bye, about 3:15 already.
Let's go in.
What a beautiful day. I'm so glad I called out today. Otherwise, I would have called in. Yeah, I did.